folding bicycles are the choice of many people who have said enough to traffic jams. They're small, lightweight, versatile, and extremely practical, especially if your commute also includes a train ride. When it comes to finding the perfect folding bike, the options can be overwhelming. From different features to varying prices, it can be difficult to know where to start. To assist in your search, I have done extensive research, gone through numerous reviews, and compiled a list of the best folding bikes from reputable brands. After my deep research, I have found these products to be most beneficial for individuals like yourself. For more information on pricing and other details, be sure to check out my video description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Eurobike 26-inch mountain folding bicycle. The Eurobike mountain bike is a great do-everything option fit for the person who wants to take their bike from their morning commute to an off-road adventure. The bike boasts a durable steel frame that will keep you supported on all your rides. Its 26-inch tires can handle a range of terrain, and its 7-speed gear shifter will ensure you can nimbly navigate anything that comes your way. Between uses, you can fold your bike up for easy storage. You can also throw it in your car and unfold it once you've found a path worth exploring. Number 4. X-Spec 27-speed folding city commuter bike. The X-Spec 7-speed commuter bike is a classic road bike, available at an incredibly reasonable price point. The bike boasts a durable alloy frame and 20-inch tires, and its 7-speed gear shifter will help you navigate all kinds of urban terrain. Take the beginner-friendly bike on a jaunt around the neighborhood or ride it on your morning and evening commutes. Since it folds up small, you can easily toss it in the trunk of your car whenever you need to. Number 3. Haybike Mars Electric Bike Foldable 20. The Haybike Mars is almost ready to use out of the box. Basically, I just take it out of the box, tighten a few parts, attach pedals, and fully charge the battery before the first ride. It is equipped with all essential accessories like front and rear lights, horn, fenders, and a rear rack. I really like the sturdy rear rack, which can hold up to 100 pounds. Even my kid can sit on the back with no problem. The bike can be folded in half for easier storage and transportation. It is compact enough to fit in my car trunk without folding down the car's back seats. And when I bring it inside, it doesn't take up too much space. The battery is removable and you can lock or unlock it using a provided key. You can remove the battery and recharge it anywhere or just leave it on the bike. There is a USB port so that you can use this battery to recharge your device as well. Number 2. Razor Eco Smart Metro Electric Scooter. We've shown you 3 of the best folding bikes money can buy out there. It's time for a bonus. An electric scooter, ideal for daily urban commutes to work, school, or to the shops. Even though it's small, it has a maximum load capacity of 220 pounds. This scooter has no pedals and cannot be operated by the power of your legs. All you need to do is engage the throttle and develop a speed of up to 18 miles per hour. Razor Eco Smart has a durable steel frame with a wooden platform that will support your feet and a large rear rack with a basket to carry all of your necessities. This scooter has a 500W motor and a 36V battery that provides you with a range of 12 miles. It is fully charged in just a few hours and you can charge it in a standard power outlet at home or even at Starbucks if need be. It's hard to believe, but this tiny package also contains a rear disc brake that stops the 16-inch wheels on a dime. If you don't feel like pedaling at all and just want to get from point A to point B while escaping heavy traffic, Razor Eco Smart will surely meet those needs. Number 1. Schwinn Loop Adult Folding Bike. If you want to purchase a folding bicycle that you can quickly fold and easily carry around or store in your car trunk or home, Schwinn Loop is what you're looking for. Compact folding bikes are very popular, so you can find many good models out there. This Schwinn folding bike has a compact frame with tiny 20-inch wheels. Therefore, you will get a frame that can be folded into tiny dimensions. Schwinn Loop is available with a folding frame that accommodates riders between 56 to 74 inches tall. Therefore, it is a bike intended for shorter riders who struggle to fit on regular folding bicycles. This model comes with a 7-speed drivetrain that's easy to use and maintain. That's more gears than you'll ever need if you only ride on flat roads and moderate hills. It's fitted with Shimano derailleurs, which are an excellent entry-level choice. Schwinn Loop is also perfect for quick urban rides thanks to its lightweight V-brakes. They bring the price down while still giving you great stopping power. That's all. I make helpful videos daily, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you need additional information or have questions about pricing, be sure to check out the video description. For any kind of issues, please leave a comment below. Stay informed with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.